Ooh, didn't need to see the horse to know this is a 430 wheel. Was a 430 wheel. They all start out round, but sometimes don't finish that way. This one sort of contacted something here and there, and it's whatever. Anyway, let's check out some of the crashes we've caught on film over the years. We don't always catch the crash, but sometimes we just catch the carnage and the stuff afterwards. And we go with our camera and say, all right, a car broke. Let's go videotape it for you guys. Check it out.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Fucking shit!
Whoa! Don't move it! Don't move it! Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Off the road, guys, we're off the road of 1 mile.
Crashed it over 200 miles.
Yeah, definitely.
He crashed.
That was easy up to like 180.
No, he did what you don't do. He stood on the brakes.
That's bad, bro.
Take all the weight off that car.
We had a car leave the road after it shut down, and we think it's because of oil on the road from another car having an oil problem. So the highway is covered with oil. And I don't think we should let any more cars go until we clean up the oil or figure something else out. Simple as that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that thing ain't gonna speak.
213 miles an hour.
Sometimes you're in the right place at the right time and just happen to catch the crash. Most of the time you're not. Let's go check out some of the aftermaths of the crashes that we missed. This is a wrecked 2004 Lamborghini Gallardo. An unfortunate accident. Somebody was drunk and they pulled out in the way, and this is the result. Good news is everybody walked away from the accident. Airbags both deployed. Holy shit, man, this thing looks fucking bad.
Yeah. Watch out. Go ahead. Wow, watch out.
It's amazing. If you look at that roof line, it's all crumpled up. The people just fucking just got up and walked out. Because the sixth one cannot be parked inside. Now, the before picture on the sixth one looks like this. And exiting my shop here in Florida. Whoa! Aston Martin. He bobbed when he should have weaved. This explains why it is not inside, because the car doesn't really drive very well. It's got a little rim damage here, amongst other things. Sort of violated this whole general area right here, sort of got effed up. Hood buckled, this not looking too high. He hit a, I believe something resembling a tire wall. The windshield also, as if that's our biggest concern, is smashed. Mirror broken off. This could use some loving over here with the body shop. The airbags both deployed, and the rollover bars popped out for good measure. The cup holders ended up in the back seat, but that has nothing to do with anything, I don't think. Some keys. I think he said the key broke off, but it's in the car somewhere. There you have it. Gumball 3000, 2009. LA to Miami, 6 cars went out of mine, and 5 cars came back. Why is everybody hitting the brakes? I don't know. Alright. This guy got in a crash with our Ferrari. And I am here to say, what's up, Ferrari? So we'll go check it out. Give me 1 second. I can't have the camera in front of the cops right now, but I will pull over and start it back up. Going so fast here that he jacked the guardrail off the road. Ended up all the way up there in front of that cop car. much. Not that bad. I was expecting worse in the phone call. Want to grab that thing? Yeah. That was the body shop guy. I told him it needs a new front bumper. I'll go say what